Hi everyone, thank you for stopping by. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about what I got in my April order from Young Living. I didn't order all oils this time. I got Thieves dish soap, which I think I've talked about before. Um, the mint satin facial scrub because sometimes I hate my skin. And I ordered Sara essential oil because life. So in this particular video, I do want to talk about Sara, the benefits. I also want to talk about grounding, Palo Santo, and peace and calming that I talked about in the previous video. And I used it, and now I want to come in this video and like say some things about it and those oils in combination, or what I think could possibly happen with those particular oils. So just hang out with me, get comfortable, get a snack, whatever. Just hang out with me and just see what I have to say, and we'll get started. Okay, so let's begin. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna talk about is Thieves dish soap. I've been using the Thieves dish soap for like a year now, and this may be my third bottle. Yeah, I don't use it that much. I don't have to wash dishes every day, but when I do, I don't use a whole lot of it. I just use a small amount, and it's enough to wash, my dishes. But I like this because it's plant-based. My dishes get clean. I don't have to worry about phosphate, synthetic perfumes, all these dyes and chemicals. Like, I don't have to worry about that. So I choose to wash my dishes with this. I like it. It smells good. I'm not even out of my second bottle. This has to be my third bottle. I'm not out of the second one. So I just got this one because I was kind of getting low. I like it. I love it. And I'm probably going to keep using it. Okay. All right. So next I want to talk about this mint satin facial scrub. This is my first time trying this product. I don't know what it's going to be like, but I'm going to smell it here. But I do have some things I want to say about, a little research I've done. Oh, it does smell good. Definitely smells like peppermint. But I ordered this because I am super frustrated with my skin. And I am because it's oily. I have blemishes. I get breakouts from time to time. My skin is a lot better, I'm not gonna lie, since I've been since I've been drinking celery juice. I started drinking celery juice like right at the end of last year, like the last week in December. And for like the first two and a half months, I was drinking celery juice every day. And my skin got a lot brighter. The breakouts stopped happening like as often. And I'm an adult with like adult acne. Like, it's not extreme, but every now and again I'm like, I can't take it anymore. So I did not start drinking celery juice for my skin, but I noticed that it benefited my skin. So it definitely helped me out. But I tried this because I want to have like softer skin. I want to have skin that looks more radiant. I want to have skin that looks smooth and doesn't have so much texture. And like, how like when you wash your face and it's like clean, you don't have any makeup on, and you can look and see whether or not your skin is smooth, and you can see like little bumps of texture, and it's annoying. Like, no lie. We all want clear, beautiful, radiant, dewy, glowy skin. Right? Am I wrong? Didn't think so. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out. It says satin. I'm like, I want some satin type skin. Like, I do. So I ordered this. Maybe I'll talk about it in my next video to kind of let you know how it works for me. But I jotted down a few things that I found about it, and I'm gonna read it off to you. Removes dead skin cells on the surface of the skin, evens the appearance of skin tone, smooth and softens the skin's texture, improves the appearance of dull skin, reveals brighter, healthier looking skin, promotes glowing, radiant skin, exfoliates to help products applied afterwards, like your toner, lotions, or whatever, absorb more easily. Doesn't strip or dry out skin, is formulated with naturally derived exfoliants, provides noticeable improvement after just one use, has an invigorating and cooling effect from peppermint essential oil. It's formulated without sulfates or parabens, and it's appropriate for oily to dry skin. I have really oily skin. Like, you could fry chicken on my skin sometimes. It's ridiculous. So yeah, I'm all about things being natural, using natural products or whatever. I'm not perfect in that in any way, but I really try. So I'm happy I got this. I'm excited to use it. Welcome, good skin. Like, please come into my life. So anyway, the last product that I ordered was this essential oil called Sara. Yeah, probably blurry. But anyway. So Sara is a blend of ylang ylang, geranium, what else? Orange, rose, lavender, cedarwood, and blue tansy, also white lotus. So I ordered Sara. I'm trying to do my Central Rewards order, and I am looking at all these oils. I'm like, what do I want? What do I need? You know, and I'm just like, let me read about Sara. And so I was reading and I was like, you know, I think I want this, because in the previous video I talked about meditation and I ordered peace and calming, and I kind of wanted that to enhance meditation, to make sure I'm at peace, to make sure I'm calm and in a place to relax during my meditation. So previously I've ordered grounding essential oil, and I also ordered Palo Santo. So, you know, I'm a massage therapist, so when I do massages I want to be grounded. Just in everyday life I want to be grounded. And so I ordered that oil, and I also ordered Palo Santo because I want to, not gonna lie, I am one of those people that isn't the most positive, and I'm trying to be more positive. So like, if I can release negative energy or help get rid of negative energy out of my aura, then I want to do that. So I ordered Palo Santo, and I feel that a few of these oils together will just enhance my meditation and my life overall. So what I found about Sara, it says Sara is an empowering blend of therapeutic grade essential oils designed to help soothe deep emotional wounds. It may help individuals release and begin recovery from traumatic memory of sexual or ritual torment and other forms of physical or emotional abuse. That's deep. It also says it's good to use for negative experiences that trigger you from this life or past lives. Acceptance, balance, childhood memories, deprogramming, letting go, and releasing from different issues. And so I just want to talk about like having an oil like this when you're a type of person that wants to be clear-headed. You want to be happier. You want to let something go. Like, I feel like when it comes to me in meditation, I feel very stuck. Like, if this is where I want to be and this is where I am, it's like I'm having a hard time getting there. And I'm struggling with that. And so I do want to mention that a couple weeks ago, I contacted a lady here in Austin, and I went to a lecture of hers, and I kind of learned about all the stuff that she does, and I'm listening to her talk, and I'm like, man, I wonder if I need that, you know, what she does. And so she talked about soul clearings, and I was just like, man, I kind of want that. And so I contacted her, I made an appointment for a soul clearing, and she was supposed to call me Friday, May 3rd, and she didn't. So I was like, did she just miss my appointment? You know, like, I don't know what happened, but I was just like, maybe I should get my money back. And that's kind of where I was with that. But on May 3rd, I found out that a friend of mine who I've always known as my brother since the day I met him passed away in a motorcycle accident. And I can say that without crying now. But, so after that happened, after I found out, I'm like, you know, forget this lady. I'm not worried about her phone call because I am just miserable right now. So she called me the next day, the next morning actually. So it's the 4th. I woke up, I'm crying, I'm really sad. And so when she called, I answered the phone, but you know how you sound when you're crying on the phone. So I sounded like that. And I just kind of straightened myself up because, I mean, I paid for this phone conversation and I need to get it together to have it. And so the day before, I'm like, you know, I wasn't even in a place to talk to her anyway, so I'm kind of glad that she missed the call. Like, I'll talk to you today type of thing. And so I didn't tell her what was going on. I just wanted to have our little 20-minute chit chat about me and how I can get this soul clearing. So we went on through the process or whatever, and she told me that I had 132 lost souls attached to me and 5 underworld souls. And she also told me that I had 2 scar layers or something like that. Yeah, 2 scar layers from past lives that I brought over into this life. And I think a lot. And so it's like, I wonder why I can't reach a certain level of consciousness, or why I can't focus on meditation, or why my brain is never at rest, or why my life is going the way that it's going, why I experience certain things, and why I am the way I am, you know? And it's just like, some people do bring things from past lives, and I believe in this, you know. I went to a past life regression, all that, like, so I'm okay with that. I believe that there's more to life than just life and death. And so being that I found this oil, and you know, it's good to use for negative experiences, or to release, or to let go of things, I mean, I'm all about this. So some of the ingredients in here are oils that I already have, or they're oils in other blends that I have, which is okay. Knowing that meditation and reaching a higher level of consciousness for myself, knowing that I want to do that means I put everything I have into achieving that. So if that means, you know, bringing together Sara, Palo Santo, grounding, peace and calming, sacred frankincense, all, like, just bringing all those oils together in a space where I am to meditate, like, I really want to do that. And I'm probably going to do it tonight after I'm done with this, but it's just, that's just something that's really important to me right now. And what I also want to say about peace and calming, I had no idea that I was going to lose my brother. No idea. And so this oil, you know, I kind of got right on time, because every day for like the next week, I use peace and calming in the morning. I diffuse peace and calming in lavender or whatever, like something to uplift and something to just kind of give me that woosah moment, because I was devastated for days. It was really, really hard for me, and I just need some help. You know, I'm by myself, I live by myself, you know, and thankfully I had some good friends that stopped by, made sure I was okay, or called me or talked to me on the phone. You know, it all helped. It all helped. But peace and calming wasn't all that I use every day, you know, when that's all that I didn't have before. And like, when I found that out, I was kind of like, oh my God, I'm glad I bought this. So I set it on my nightstand. There it was. And in the morning, I put a couple drops, rub my hands together, and I inhale, and I do this breathing exercise where I inhale and I hold it for 4 count, and then I exhale 4 count. And so I kind of did that every day. I rubbed a little bit on my wrists or behind my ears, and I just kind of had that oil with me every day. that was like one of the hardest moments of my life, and I'm just kind of glad that I had that oil on deck. But as far as meditation goes, I'm excited to have Sara, peace and calming, sacred frankincense, Palo Santo, and grounding, because, you know, I might just do like a bottle of just those and use it for meditation purposes. So anyway, I haven't smelled Sara, and I've had this for a couple weeks, so I'm excited right now that I can actually open it and smell it on camera. I kind of want to say it smells flowery. Well, geranium, rose, lavender, blue tansy, white lotus. Yeah, and it actually reminds me of the essential oil joy. To me, this smells a lot like joy. So yeah, I'm excited about Sara. And you know, I think that when we're at a place where our minds are bogged down, we can't think straight, there's so much going on, we're not present, it's hard to have something like essential oils really connect with us and work inside our body, connect with our nervous system, get past our limbic system, and just do their job. Like, it's hard when there's so much static, you know? And what I'm trying to do in my life, like my goal is to be at peace, you know, be present, be in the moment, and really just allow myself to feel what's going on around me and feel what's going on inside my body. That's my goal. So I can't wait to maybe meditate with all these oils and come back and like let you know my experience with it. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up because it wasn't supposed to be this lengthy. But anyway, yeah, so Sara, Satin facial scrub, and Thieves dish soap this past month. I'll be back soon with another unboxing, letting you guys know what I got. Thanks for listening so much. I really appreciate it. And y'all have an awesome day.